Assalamualaikum student. Today we will learn about experimentary determination of the molar mass of a metal. Okay, so first we want to know what is the difference between back titration and regular acid-base titration or standard acid-base titration. Regular titration means that we want to determine the concentration of a solution based on a known concentration of solution. For example, in this experiment, we know the concentration of the titrant and we also know the volume of the titrant by record the initial reading and the final reading of the burette. In the conical flask, we have transferred a fixed amount or with pipette fixed amount of analyte and transfer it into the conical flask. But we don't know the concentration of the analyte in the conical flask. Back titration is two-step analytical technique, which first step is used metal react with excess known concentration of acid, and second step the unreacted acid or excess reactant acid is titrated with standardized base. So we want to know learning outcome for this experiment. So at the end of this lesson, students should be able to standardize the hydrochloric acid solution and determine the molar mass of alkaline earth metal M by back titration method. Part A. Standardize the hydrochloric acid solution. Standardize the hydrochloric acid means that we want to determine the concentration of acid solution. We can determine the concentration of acid solution by using standard acid-base titration. Transfer 25 ml of HCl into 4 conical flasks. Add 2 drops of phenolphthalein. Set up burette and fill burette with 1 molar NaOH solution. Record initial burette reading. Start titration until we get pale pink solution. Record final burette reading and calculate average volume of NaOH solution. So now we can calculate molarity of HCl because we can get volume of NaOH and also we have molarity of NaOH solution. Part B. Determination of the molar mass of a metal M. First, pipette 25 ml of HCl into 2 conical flasks. And then, clean the metal M. And record mass of metal M by using analytical balance. After that, cut the metal M into small pieces and transfer into the conical flask that contain HCl solution. Wait until all the metal M is completely dissolved. When the metal M is completely dissolved, means that in our conical flask contain only hydrochloric acid. So in this experiment, metal M is limiting reactant because all the metal M is completely reacted and HCl will be the excess reactant. Okay, the equation involved in the reaction is metal M react with HCl and we produce MCl2 and hydrogen gas. Metal M is limiting reactant because all the metal M dissolve in the reaction and HCl will be the excess reactant. But how to determine the molarity of excess hydrochloric acid solution? So, we can determine the molarity of excess hydrochloric acid by using regular technique of titration. So now, we want to determine the molarity of the excess hydrochloric acid. After the reaction complete, add 2 drops of phenolphthalein and continue titration with 1.0 molar NaOH solution. Don't forget to record initial reading and final burette reading of NaOH. Continue titration until we'll get the pale pink solution. This experiment is called as back titration because the first step is the reaction between metal M and HCl And the second step is the titration between unreacted HCl with NaOH solution. That's all for today. Thank you.